Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Nissan Rogue oil light. This light illuminates to remind you it's time for an oil change, or it stays on after a service. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through two common methods. You can usually complete this task in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. For the accelerator pedal method first, turn your ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Wait for all the dashboard lights to illuminate. Next, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor 3 times within a quick 10-second window. Then, turn the ignition completely off and then back on again. The oil light should now be off, indicating a successful reset. Another common way is using your dash buttons. Again, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Look for the buttons on your steering wheel or dashboard that allow you to navigate through the vehicle's information display. Find the maintenance menu, then select Engine Oil. From there, you should see an option to reset the oil life. Confirm your selection and the light will clear. Before resetting, always ensure you've actually performed the oil change. Resetting the light without fresh oil can lead to engine damage. If these methods don't work, consult your Nissan Rogue's owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as procedures can vary slightly. Keeping up with regular maintenance is vital for your vehicle's health and performance. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.